What is up, guys? Your boy Alex, and
Sam.
Today we'll be reacting to another Zain video. I think this is a Zain Ramadan video. Again, there's two videos that came out recently, so we're gonna watch this one as well. This came out April 29th. It has 27 million views, 139 likes, and so we're gonna watch this one too because you guys were commenting to watch these, and I assumed like there was two videos, so I was like, which one should we watch? We're gonna watch both of them. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We do post videos every single day. So make sure you give this video a like if you do like it, and let us know in the comments what you guys would like to see from us as well.
Yep. Please drop a comment.
Let us
Catch me up. What's been going on?
What's going on?
So excited to be back, by the way.
Let's watch this video and see what we think.
Yeah.
So, come on. Oh. They on a train?
Looks like it.
Oh, it's such a cute set. Oh.
She's so cute.
Oh yeah, she's adorable. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little cul-de-sac.
I love all their clothes too.
حتى تدق طبول فرفش على الناس بتبان لعلاء انوار والوان دندشه لبس وحركات فرق على بهدايا عاديات فهمتي حاجه ولا عيد
I wish we had subtitles.
I know. I don't know what they're saying.
It was so
It's
cute
so
though.
cute.
Normally the Zain videos have subtitles, so I think this isn't like the Zain Ramadan video, but it could be like another, like it could be part of it. But super adorable. That girl.
That little girl was so stinking cute.
So cute. The song was really fun to listen to. I liked all the different areas they went to with the video too.
Yeah, the sets were amazing.
They were so
the
cute.
Costumes were so cute, and it all like meshed so super well together.
Yeah, the girl and the guy were adorable together. It was so cute. I really liked it. It just like kind of like put you in a good mood.
Yeah.
Really cute. Really like, just like you want to like give someone a hug.
It's like the warm and fuzzies.
Yeah.
I love it.
But let us know in the comments, what did you guys think of this video? Also, if you could let us know what this is like about, because like I said, no subtitles. So it makes it kind of hard, but let us know in the comments what you guys thought. Give the video a like if you liked it, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Bye.
Peace out. Bye, guys.